Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror image in Canva. To mirror an image in the Canva application, first of all, launch open Canva app and log into your account. Now create a new project or open up an existing one. I'm just going to open up an existing project. From your homepage, go to project button at the bottom and all of your project that you are working on will be displayed on the screen. Select any project open, and once you're in this editing screen, select the image on the canvas to activate the editing option. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see options like crop, adjust, filters, effects, etc. Go ahead and find the flip button and tap on it. Now, you will see two options, flip horizontally or flip vertically. If you tap on flip horizontally, this will mirror the image left to right. If you tap on flip vertical, it mirrors the image top to bottom. Simply select the flip horizontal button from the menu and you will be able to mirror the image. Once you're happy with the result, you can tap on the download button at the top right or simply tap on the share button at the top right and share it to your friends or anyone. That is how you easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.